Yes, baby. We got some new hair, y'all. Okay, y'all. So, hi, ladies. How are you? This is your girl, J Baby, and welcome back to my channel. I am Jay for anybody who is new to my channel. If you are not new, then hey, hello, girl. How you guys been? Okay, so it has been a week, and I'm coming to you with some new hair, y'all. I have worn other hair for a long time, curly, but I wanted some straight hair, y'all. I wanted some straight hair. So this hair is from a company called Allove. I just did a video on Allove, and I think I did like different styles that you could be able to style it up. I love Allove hair, y'all. I just like Allove hair. Okay, so let's get into this wig. This is actually a 4x4 lace closure. Yes, a lace closure. And we can be able to get that lace frontal type look, y'all, with a lace closure. Exactly. Okay, you don't need it all down here and all that, but I'm just saying, I will do the video and I will actually show you everything that, I'll show you the inside of the wig. I'm just coming to you right now, but I'm going to get into the tutorial, but just let me get the specs out. Okay, this is a 4x4 lace closure and it's straight human hair, guys. 150 density. I love the flow that's in it. I love the fact that it's not really, really thick at the ends. Now, disclaimer. I am the type that just like flowy, small hair. I don't like hair to be real big and bulky, okay? I am actually going to do an install, and it only took me about 10 minutes to do this. And the reason why is because I had to. It did come, pushed back like that, like it usually do. But I just had to put my parting in and straighten it out, put your glue, honey, and go ahead on and flat iron it, and it's a done deal. So it took me 10 minutes to actually I would say 9.5 to do this. It's not long. This hair is like really nice and soft. Really nice and soft. I just love how natural it look. It doesn't look all big and bulky. It does not feel heavy at all to my head. I love it. It feels like I have like, oh, you know how you just do a quick weave? It feels like a quick weave. It don't feel like a wig at all on my head. That's what I like. We have 2 combs right here. We have a comb in the back and adjustable straps. I will show it to you guys what we have. We have lace from here to here, and it goes far back, so I like that. Yes, honey. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead on and just get into this install. So just watch me install this wig, guys. Okay. All right. So like your girl J Baby says, be blessed and not stressed. And J Baby is signing off. Mwah.